said, we have our Buick Enclave. It's 2011.
That ain't right.
Bad boy. Wow.
Holla, cuss.
She's still rolling, but she had a few issues.
On the bank.
About a year ago, we had a problem with it misfiring, and we ended up replacing.
You got to see.
Well, first we cleaned the existing one that was there, the throttle body, and then it ran for a while, and then we still had the same issue, so we ended up replacing it. So today
Sold me out.
we had another misfire. We're gonna have to replace the spark
Told
plug
me you
rules.
They had all
two.
arranged. They had me down.
And we had a code. What was the code, man?
Got to bank.
P0089 and P0302.
Got to get ready
Okay.
for the big
So
payback.
yeah, that was a fuel pump and I believe the fuel injection. But we're gonna start with the most simple